Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks and would like to share them with you. Today, I'm going to take this Ensign Red watermelon flavored whiskey. It is 70 proof. The whiskey is sourced out of Canada, shipped down to Kentucky, and turned into Ensign Red products. Ounce and a half of your watermelon whiskey. And I'm going to top it off with Faygo Fireworks. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like for me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com. And I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Ralph Rothman. Ralph passed away on February 11, 2026 at the age of 91. He served in the Army and he called Colorado home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Oh, above a 10 out of 10. The watermelon is fantastic. It comes through so well. The Faygo just complements it. This is a delicious drink. Highly recommended. Never drink to forget. Always drink to remember. Ralph, may you rest in peace. That is delicious. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.